welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Xumo Box apps which are not working. So here's a guide to clear your cache, update as well as reinstall those apps. Fix 1. Clear the app data and cache memory. Press the settings gear icon button on your physical remote control. Select System Management from the Settings menu panel. Navigate to and select Privacy and Security. Click on the option labeled as Clear App Data or Clear Cache. Choose the specific application that is malfunctioning from your list. Confirm the erase request, relaunch the app, and sign back in. Fix 2. Force a manual cloud system update. Press the settings gear icon on your remote control. Scroll through the menu categories and select System Management. Select Updates and click on Update manually or check for updates. Allow the Xumo Box to search the network directory servers for new versions. Agree to the installation download and allow the system to reboot. Fix 3. Power cycle the Xumo hardware box. Unplug the power adapter cable directly from the back port of your Xumo box. Disconnect the opposite end of the power cord from your wall outlet. Leave the box completely disconnected from all electrical current for 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet and reattach it to your device. Turn on the box and allow the system for 2 minutes to resync. Fix 4. Force an app refresh via a network reset. Open the Settings hub from your main device launcher screen and select Network. Highlight your current home wireless network name and select Forget Network. Unplug your home broadband router from the wall for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Return to the Xumo network menu, select your Wi-Fi name and enter your password. Launch the application again to verify that the fresh connection loads cleanly. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.